Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today what I'm going to be reviewing is Lurker.tv. I honestly think this is a really good website, and it's perfect for people trying to support each other and get support back. What this does, when you sign in and you get everything linked to your Discord, if you have a team Discord or if you just have a group of friends that want to help each other, this is really good for you. Because when you log in, it'll tell you how many people are lurking. So we get 22 lurkers right now, and it's spread out between all 4 streamers that we have here on our screen. Twitch has a limit to how many tabs you can open per IP address. So we were lucky enough to find a website that let us bypass that whole thing. And this, how I have it set up, if you look at the top, I have it set up so 4 streamers are put on your screen. The refresh rate is 5 minutes, and I have it set to shuffle, so there's no favoritism or anything like that. So everyone on my team, on Team Caladrius, can support each other and, you know, give everyone shared viewership. This is a perfect way to help each other and get into the higher numbers as a Twitch streamer. So when you first get on Lurker.tv, you'll see a whole bunch of Discords and stuff like that. These are people that pay for subscriptions and stuff like that. Featured Discord servers. We're right up here at Team Caladrius. And when you click on us, you'll have our streamers loaded up. And then you also see how many people are lurking for each channel. It's also really good to also support other Discords that are supporting streamers. Like for instance, this Dab Nation is actually really good too. If you click on this, you join their Discord, they have 16 lurkers. And if you're a ranked member on their Discord, then that gives you an extra 16 people that could be watching you. So this helps with exposure for all streamers. I really love this Lurker.tv, and I think it's a really good option if you're a small streamer and you're looking to help others and get help yourself. Next, I'm going to go over some settings to help you with your Discord integration and help you make the most out of Lurker.tv for your Discord. So when you first get in there, after you set everything up, you'll come here. This is the configuration page. What we have is Twitch live role. You're going to give that to everybody. So everybody can be a streamer on the page for your multi-stream lurker. You can have an announcement channel. I do suggest that. Delete live messages after a streamer goes offline. I really like that because then it just shows active people throughout the day. It's in beta right now, so it's a little buggy, but the developers for this website are amazing and they're gonna fix it in no time. Next thing we have is Lurker.tv bot settings. Okay, set somewhere in your Discord for a notification channel. So right here, I just call it Lurker Bot Info, and this will tell you your ranks, who is top 10, how many points you have, and stuff like that. You know, kind of like a, you know, I'm showing off, I'm supporting the most out of the whole Discord kind of deal. It's really good to have that because there's a lot of competitive people in the world, and you know, it's really good to have competitive people when trying to support streamers, at least in my eyes, you know. The point system, so system is you get 1 lurk point per minute. Okay, so remember that. You can change this if you want. Which streamers shall be shown on your Lurker.tv? I have this set to 7 days and 60 points. So what that means with that lurk point is that as long as somebody watches 60 minutes, 1 hour for a 7-day period, they get to be on the multi-stream Twitch for Team Caladrius, and they get free viewership. I feel like if somebody's willing to take an hour of their day to watch other streamers, they should be helped themselves. You know what I mean? So this next page is force user settings on Discord link. Okay, what that means is this right here, the player chat for 300 and shuffle. Okay, so player chat is this right there, here, this little player with the chat, and you get channel points and everything like that. 5-minute refresh rate, I just set that up so that everybody gets fair viewership. So it refreshes every 5 minutes and it's randomized. Okay, you can have it set up to viewer up, viewer down, or by game. It's up to you, whatever you decide to do in your Discord. But for Team Caladrius, I just have it set to shuffle, so there's no favoritism and everybody gets viewership equally. Here's some really cool stuff. You get bonus points for chatting in the stream. So you get 10 bonus points for every 30 minutes of chatting. For you to actually get those 10 points, all you have to do is send 3 messages within a 30-minute period. So it's pretty easy to get points. It's not very hard at all. If you're a bigger streamer, if you have some viewers, you get also 2 points per viewer when you're hosting somebody in the community. That's the end of the video. If you guys have any more questions about setting it up, or you're having issues setting it up, or anything in between that, please join the Discord. I can answer anytime. I'm always in the Discord, always interacting with people and supporting each other. If you want to join Team Caladrius, there's always an application you can fill out. We are a team of streamers that are always supporting each other. If you guys did like the video, smash that like button, subscribe for more info. You guys have a great one.